Hi, my name's Sally Martin at SheepMetriX. This is one of 10 YouTube videos that have been developed to assist sheep and goat producers use Excel for storing, collating and using their data captured via an electronic tag. In this video we're going to discuss bucket files. So what is a bucket file? A bucket file essentially is an electronic tag paired to a visual tag, as well as additional information with your PIC, your property identification code, and your NLIS, National Livestock Identification Scheme number, and the date that they were manufactured and issued. So what you can now see on your screen is a typical bucket file that you will either download from one of the tag manufacturer's websites, or it can be emailed to you when you purchase your electronic tags. This particular bucket file is in a CSV format. There's another video that explains the difference between Excel worksheets and CSV format files. The first step when you get your bucket file is to save it in a particular place where you'll be able to locate it again. My suggestion is that you create a year drop folder. If we go, we've opened up our file, so we go up to File and we want to Save As. I have made that you can then save all of the data captured for that year drop in there, so it's easily found. So in this particular case we're going to save the 22 drop into the 22 drop folder. It is in CSV format, so we want to put it into a Excel worksheet. The reason that we save it in an Excel workbook is so that we can have multiple sheets without losing any data. What I recommend is that you actually make a copy, so right click on your mouse and go Move or Copy, and we want to create a copy of this spreadsheet. So this becomes our original and this becomes our 2022 drop master file. So then we can start adding information into this spreadsheet. So first of all, what I would do is I would start to tidy the spreadsheet up. On farm, we don't need our PIC number unless we've got multiple properties that we need to keep a track of things. So in this particular instance, I'm just going to right click and I'm actually going to delete. I'm going to right click here again and delete that, and I will also delete the issue date and the manufacture date, as I don't need that. Depending on whether you will be uploading this to a stick reader, indicator or software, you may need to change the headings. Some devices require you to have RFID, others will be eID, and the same with visual identification. It may be VID that you require, and depending if you have tag color, you may have an abbreviation or something similar to this in your system. So essentially the bucket file has given us the pairing of the electronic tag and the visual tag that's printed on it. Then we can actually go in to be able to do other things with it. I hope this information has been helpful. Thank you.